the left, reverse steady. Watch the belt, get back. Good lift, taking the processing.
All right, bring it over to the conveyor. Copy that, lining it up. Good, lower it down easy. All set, clear. Pressure's holding steady. Time to increase the flow. Copy that, adjusting now. Perfect. Look at that pith separate clean. Check the input levels on the screw. Levels are steady, pushing well. Good. Monitor the tank temp. It's holding. All clear. Slurry flow is steady, pressure holding at 150 psi. Good, let's check the screens for buildup. Looks clear, no clogs? Perfect, let's log it.
Pressure's good. Let's clear the top deck. All right, I'm on it. Watch for splashes. Looks clear now. Good. Let's move to the next one.
Adding natural binders now. Now for the water repellent agents. Agitators are mixing it all. Pouring the pulp into the hopper now. Vacuum is pulling it onto the molds. Water is draining, cycle is complete. Pressure building, molds closing now. Steam release confirmed, plates are formed. Activating dryer station now. Temperature holding steady at 180. Good. Keep monitoring for fluctuations. Confirmed. All systems are stable.
Starting the trimmer now. Cuts are clean. Let's collect the trimmings.
Stacking is smooth, no jams. Sealing this one now.
Headbox is spreading the slurry evenly.
Wire speed is good. Monitor the consistency. Looks solid. Let's keep it steady. Pressure's holding steady. Good. Monitor the feed rate. Adjusting the nip now. Moisture levels are dropping, looking good. Keep an eye on the web tension. It's drying evenly, we're on target. Speed is steady, compression looks good. Monitor the output for uniformity. All clear, proceed to next stage. All right, let's get this ink loaded for the Eco logos. Cartridge is ready. Inserting now, watch for the seal. It's printing clean, looks great. Perfect. That's our sustainable print. The slitter is ready, feed the tube. Cuts are precise, watch the output. Stacking the sheets now, looks good. Feeding the pulp sheets now. Okay, machine's taking them. Watch the alignment. Looks good, bags are forming. Pressure's building steadily. Watch the feed. Got it. Adjusting the steam valve now. Good. Monitor the pressure gauge. Holding steady at optimal. Pulp looks good. Excellent. Cycle complete.